Hello friends, today we will discuss a very much important concept from Java 16, that is record class, and it is actually a replacement of lombok. We can say it will write constructor, getter, setters, hash code equals all this method, tostriing, everything for you, okay, behind the scene. So the question comes like, can we use record as a JPA entity? So no, we should not use it, even though some hacks are available for to use that one. But we should not use. Why we should not use? Because records are immutable and it should not be used as JPA entity. All fields are final for record class, and JPA and Hibernate we need to set some values to the fields like ID, createdAt, updatedAt. We need to set these values. So it is very bad practice to use JPA entity as record class. Record do not have no argument constructor. It is not having. Okay. So no argument constructor is needed actually. In record, all argument constructor is only present. Okay. So these are some mm, reasons why we should not use record as a JPA entity. Okay, because records are final. Hibernate cannot create the proxy subclasses. Life cycle annotations don't work properly. Annotations like created timestamp, updated timestamp rely on mutability because we need to set it manually, right? So we should not use record as JPA entity classes. Perfect. So okay. So best industry standards rules are there. Controller should accept DTO and not entity. Controller should return DTO and not entity, because if we send the entity class, entity should actually talk to only your Hibernate layer, that is a database layer, and that is the DAO layer. Okay, repository layer basically. Okay, so it should not be exposed to the outside world. So controller should always accept DTO and it should always return the DTO. Record should not be used as entity, okay, because all fields are final. And suppose we want to update any field, then that is not possible. So in our current setup, we are not using record class, so we will use that one. So here are some steps. Don't use at the rate data annotation for product entity. It will generate hash code and equals, and which can cause for issues for GPA entities. So let me go to product class. Here we are using at the rate data annotation. So let's comment it out. Okay. Let's comment it out and use at the rate getter and at the rate setter. Actually, we should use manually getters and setter create, but for now, let's make this change only. Okay, this is one step we have created. Step 2, create record class for request and response. Okay, so we will create product request. So we need to select record from here. Okay, so product request we created, and let's update it. Product request. Okay, we created product request and we created product response. We will create product response. New Java class, select record from here and create product response. Okay. Now, what is the syntax for it? Public record product response, open bracket there, and add the field long ID, string name, double price, local date time created at, local date time updated at, all these things we need to add it. Okay. So this is the response. Perfect. So this is the response. So import the class. Perfect. So we created two record classes. This is where record shine, immutable, clean, perfect for API contracts. Okay. Step 3, service layer mapping. Service method should accept DTO request. Okay. So if we go to product service, it should accept DTO request. So product request. One minute. product request it should accept. Okay, this is product request. Okay, it should accept product request. And what are the rules? Okay, service method should accept DTO, create a new entity class, and get the details from this request and set to this new entity class. This thing we need to do it here. Okay, so let me create it. Product equal to new product. Okay, just create the entity class. So product request. Okay, so we created new object. Then we need to set the fields manually. We can use mappers also, but for now set the fields manually. Okay, so product request dot get name, product request dot get price. All these fields we taken, and whenever we save it, it will return us a product saved product equal to. Okay, now we need to return product response. Okay, so from product we need to, okay, so go again there in service class, and this is saved, right? Saved product. So saved product dot id, saved product dot name, saved product dot price, saved product dot createdAt, updatedAt, all these fields we need to get. Okay, product response. Okay, so this product response is the return type for this. Perfect. So here it will go. Here it is the product response. Perfect. It will accept product request. Product request. Product request. This product request we need to pass it here. Perfect. This thing we created. Then what are the things? Controller return DTO not entity. If we go to our controller class, then what it is returning? DTO. Okay, this DTO nothing but our record class. Record class are perfect for DTO. Okay, so write down that rule also there. Fourth number rule, record classes are perfect example of DTO which we can use as request and response for controller and service layer. Perfect. Okay, so we use this one, and in our controller we will return product response. Okay, in update product also same thing we need to use. Okay, whatever the things are there in update product. Okay, so here also it should return product response. Product responses it should return. Okay, so here it is coming product dot set name. Here it is saving it. Saved product equal to. Okay, and okay, here we got the product, save product, and here we will return product response. Get me. Okay, product response, saved product dot get all these things. Okay, and go to here, and then here we will return product response. Okay, perfect. And here also entity it is returning, right? So it should not return entity, it should return product response. Okay, get product also return product response. Okay, so product product equal to, okay, and then we need to use this product response and this product dot get id, product dot get name, product dot get price, product dot get created at, product dot get updated at, all these things we need to use. Okay, and product response. Okay, product response we should return it from here controllers. So I think we are good for this. Let's go ahead and test this whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so we have changed everything. Let's start our server Java from scratch application. Okay, so it is started. Now go to Chrome. Now go to Chrome. Now go to Swagger UI. Refresh it. Okay. Now create one product. Try it out. Okay. Name and price. Perfect. So product name is laptop and price is, let's say, 100. Execute it. Okay, laptop is created. Now what is the id? Id is 1. If you want to get the product, write out id is 1. Okay, now you got the laptop with price and all. Okay, so updatedAt will be null initially. Okay, now you want to update it. Okay, so laptop with bag. Okay, product, we will update product. This put method we will call for id 1 and laptop of a good company with bag. This name I will add. Okay, update it. So update it. So we got everything. Okay, so and now we will try to get that value. Okay, 1 update it. Okay, updated that value also we got. Perfect. So that is the case, and thank you for watching. Now you understand, right, why we use the record class. Okay, if we go to IntelliJ again, and why we use the record class. So if we check these rules, okay, record class has perfect example of DTO, which can use as request and response for controller and service layer. Record should not be used at entity because all fields are final. We want to update them actually, and if we use record as entity, then we will not be able to update it. Controller returns DTO, not entity. Controller should accept DTO and not entity. Means controller methods always accept DTO and return also DTO only. So we created request and response as record class. Okay, these are immutable classes by default. Okay, that is new enhancement added in Java. Okay, this new enhancement is added in Java, and that's why we are using that one. Okay, in Java 16 it is added record class. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe this.